Auto Show presents Mahindra Jeeto Jeep. Introduction. Welcome to Auto Show. Today we're exploring the Mahindra Jeeto Jeep, a compact yet powerful mini truck that has become a reliable choice for small business owners and transporters across India. Built for efficiency, strength, and affordability, the Jeeto is designed to handle daily commercial needs with ease, design, and build quality. The Mahindra Jeeto features a rugged and practical design, offering a simple yet sturdy exterior suitable for tough road conditions. Its compact dimensions make it easy to navigate through narrow city lanes, while the durable body structure ensures long-term reliability, even under heavy use. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the Jeeto comes with a 625cc single-cylinder diesel engine, delivering impressive mileage and dependable performance. The engine produces 16 horsepower, providing enough power to carry heavy loads efficiently. Its smooth gear shifts and stable suspension make it an ideal vehicle for city and semi-rural transport operations. Payload and utility. The Mahindra Jeeto offers a payload capacity of up to 700 kilo, making it a strong performer in its class. It's available in multiple variants, allowing buyers to choose the right model based on their load and business needs. The spacious cargo deck and low loading height make loading and unloading goods effortless. Comfort and features. Inside, the Jeeto provides a comfortable cabin with practical features, like ergonomic seating, easy controls, and good visibility. The design focuses on driver comfort and convenience, ensuring fatigue-free driving even on long working days. Conclusion. The Mahindra Jeeto Jeep stands out as a dependable, fuel-efficient, and affordable mini truck for India's growing transport sector. Whether for urban deliveries or rural transport, it continues to be a smart investment for small businesses.